Okay, so the question here then is, we have a wind turbine producing 4 megawatts of power. 4 megawatts, and then we have a natural gas power plant producing half a gigawatt. The first thing we have to do is we need to get them in the same units. So what is 4 megawatts? Well, that's 4 times, and the prefix mega is times 10 to the power 6 watts. So we have 4 million watts, whereas the natural gas power plant is half a gigawatt. That's the same as half times 10 to the power 9 watts, which is the same as 5 times 10 to the power 8 watts. So if we want to know how many wind turbines would we need to have to produce the same amount of energy as the power plant, well, we need a formula then. The number of wind turbines will be the energy from the gas plant divided by the energy produced from one turbine. Energy of one turbine. Why is that? Well, we know that the energy of one turbine, if we write that up here, energy of one turbine multiplied by X, the number of turbines that we're going to need, is going to equal the energy of the power plant. So the energy of one turbine multiplied by a number, we don't know exactly what X is yet, but we're going to need a lot of them probably, multiplied by X, the number of wind turbines that we're going to need. So the energy of one turbine multiplied by how many wind turbines we're going to need is going to give us the energy of the power plant. And if we reorganize that to get X, the number of the wind turbine, X is the number of the wind turbines, we take the energy of the power plant divided by the energy of one turbine, which in this particular case is going to be 5 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 4 times 10 to the power 6. Well, 5 divided by 4 is going to give us 1.25. 10 to the power 8 minus divided by 10 to the power 6 is going to give us 10 squared. 8 minus 6 is 2. So our answer is going to be 1.25 times 10 to the power 2, which is the same as 125 windmills. So we will need 125 windmills to give us the same amount of power as a half gigawatt power plant. Before we finish this question, we should of course do our final check. If we check that 4 times 10 to the power 6 multiplied, so the power of one wind turbine multiplied by the number of wind turbines we said we needed, which is 125. If we multiply these two numbers together, we should get the same amount of energy that the natural gas power plant should be, 5 times 10 to the power 8 watts. And when we put those numbers in our calculator, they all work out and balance, showing us that we have done exactly the right thing. We've worked out how many wind turbines we need for a certain size of power plant, even though they are different capacities. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.